Hey students, how you doing? My name is Ryan Bradshaw, and I just want to welcome you to class and welcome you to this experience. You probably have been through a class before, but just in case you haven't, I want to let you know one of the key things that you need to identify in the course is the course syllabus, which you should find on the front page. And take a moment to go through that. That's an important document. That explains what the course outline is, the course expectations. It also lets you know some key information, namely the assignments in the course and when they're due. This is the key to success. If you can go through the course and turn in the assignments and make sure that you're putting in good effort, good work, you're going to have good outcomes. If you go through the course and offer low effort, don't do the work, and have bad inputs, you're going to have probably bad outcomes for the course. And this is an important lesson that we learn in life and we learn in business, is that good inputs often equal good outputs. And then when we have bad inputs, we often have bad outputs. So you want to make sure that your inputs, the things that you put up, are quality and they're good effort. And so I'm going to help you navigate this course. And if there's anything at all that you need, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will say that students often procrastinate and they wait until the last minute to turn in assignments. This is a mistake. It is an issue when you wait until the last minute to turn in assignments because, number one, the work suffers. It's hard to turn in good quality work that you've had time to review and feel good about at the very last minute. But number two, anything can happen. You can have a natural disaster, computer crash, power goes out, other emergency that can pop up in your life. And that's just not a good way to operate, and it's a bad habit to get into where you're always running on an exception or procrastinating. And I know people like that in life, and they seem to be always struggling and wondering why they struggle, when the answer is, if you will be proactive, if you'll get your work done, and get in the habit of being proactive, it will help you not only be successful in this course, but successful in life. And really, that's what a college education is about. It's about the learning, but also how to navigate the world and be successful. If you can take a complicated set of instructions like a course syllabus and be able to discern what we're looking for from that and be able to navigate this course and other courses in your program, that is a strong indicator to an employer that you are a quality person, a quality candidate that is worthy to be hired, that can be professional, can take instructions and act upon them and get things done. So I want to encourage you. I want to support you in this course, but at the end of the day, the destiny of this course lies in your hands. It's up to you whether you'll be successful or not. The responsibility is on you, and I want to stress that because I want you to be accountable for the outcome. And so anything I could do to support you, my email was on the syllabus, and I wish you nothing but success, hope for the best, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great first week.